Gasket orders shouldn't slow down your project, but poor quality and endless rework can lead to costly delays. SRP makes it easy. Our process is simple. Send us your drawing, we'll handle the rest. Engineering support, design consultation, customer service, and strict quality control are built into every step. SRP isn't just a converter. We are strategic partners. With decades of experience, we help you reduce risk and keep your projects moving forward, supporting your project from prototyping through full-scale production. Our in-house cutting technologies provide the efficiency, versatility, and reliability you demand. SRP, quality-focused, precision-driven, American-made since 1951. Let's build what's next together.